Alright, hey everybody. This video might be a little jilty. Got to do it in the dark for the TV, but this is a multiple video to show that this one game is working and that this Gamecube right here, I'm not even sure if it's going to focus in on it due to the low light, but it's the silver Gamecube. You can see it in the pictures, of course, but maybe I can get a better... Oh, there we go. A little bit more light. It's the silver Gamecube. Just want to show that it's in good working condition. And the game that this video is also going to be helping to show is Mario Party 6. This is Mario Party 6 that we're bringing up here. Again, I'm trying to do the video one-handed and the controller one-hand. Press start button. Alright, trying to do this one-handed, but I just want to show you that these items, the Gamecube is in good working condition. No card, okay. I don't have a card. Play without saving, there we go. Return to the title screen, no. How do I get over there? No. Okay, okay. Oh, play with it. Okay, I don't know what just happened there. A little bit of a glitch, or I hit a wrong button or something. But again, this Mario Party 6, in good working condition. This is just for the game itself. And again, the reason I'm doing this video is not only for this game itself. Oh, okay. Alright, anyway, I guess that's pretty much all you need to see. The game is working, good condition, works just fine. The Gamecube itself, which is right here, this does not come with any cables at all. This is just a replacement unit for anybody who, you know, still has their old Gamecube games and everything else, and their Gamecube is no longer working. This is just a replacement console, and that's all you receive is the console. No controllers, no wires, no nothing else. Again, both in good working condition, and thanks for watching.